Kan tu pi pa hi Lengouthang Chongloi hinglang ku pia chiang hin ama hin English pau hi hoila kuna la an nong ke pun eipao helou hi ma hi a chu English pau tho na sa English pau tho in to man English pau tho to ban mana kan su de chun ama English pau tho ba man ngai tau te.
The meat.
Because of the meat, you have to eat, right?
No, I don't like bones.
You don't like bones, and you cannot eat that because you have a good edge, right? Okay. And where is your home?
Up there.
Up there.
I'm already heavy.
No, you're not.
Why?
You're not heavy. You're still small kids, and your weight is normal.
Well, my hands are too dirty.
You should wash it. Why?
Because up there, no any dirty hands.
Okay, who taught you English?
My uncle.
Your uncle. He taught you English. Oh my god. I thought your mom taught you. Where's your mom?
My mom is going somewhere.
Somewhere without you.
Yes, I try to follow my uncle.
Your uncle here? Okay. Do you like it here?
Uncle buy me some candy.
Okay, he bought you some candy. Oh my god, that's so sweet of him. Okay, where did you meet your uncle? Where did you meet him?
Where's your home?
My home. It is in the...
You like love most?
I love only my families.
Only families. Who are your families?
Mommy and Papa and Poo and
Among them, whom do you love most? Among them?
only all of them.
All of them.
Yes.
Are you a good or bad boy?
Good.
Good.
If my friends are alone, then I just help them.
Oh, you help them.
Yes. Look, there's meat over there.
I saw you are playing alone.
Because my friend is going to see if they throw bomb at the gari, it can already broken the wheels.
Okay. I heard there is a birthday party in your village. Whose birthday is?
Oh, over this downside.
Downside. Are you going?
No, the birthday's not started yet. So many friends are coming, but there are only 4.
Only 4.
Yes.
Do they invite you?
Yes, they're calling me too.
Yeah. I heard they're cooking meat for the birthday party.
Nope, they're cooking cake
Cake.
and also candies. They're gonna buy candies at the shop.
No.
There's also wait to eat only one by one.
Will they provide Coca-Cola?
Yes, they provide Coca-Cola down to the shop side to the big shop. It's very long shop. It's like this, much longer.
Much longer than this.
It's much longer like this.
What curry do you have today?
Dal.
Dal. What curry do you prefer more? Like more?
I like only dal.
Only dal.
Dal and dal.
What about potato?
I like potato. I like potato too. And also papaya.
Papaya.
Yes. Where's the papaya tree?
It's not here. You like mango?
Yes, I like mango too.
Most of them said you are naughty boy. You make your friend cry all the time.
Because of they doesn't let me something to give me.
Again,
Yes,
they doesn't want to give you
something.
something.
Cars, trucks, because of they doesn't. They only one they buy it. That's the only one they buy it.
Why do they leave you alone?
Because of they're gonna shoot bomb at Momon's house.
At Momon's house.
And Momon was angry.
Oh. What did he say, Momon?
It says, "Get out!"
He's angry at them.
But they're not crying.
You're not crying. Oh, that means they're naughty, na? And you're a good boy, na? Okay, then let's go and meet your friend, okay? Come on, let's go.
So good, and my temper is so hot.
Yes. If your temper is hot, then you can blast. Just like a creeper. Creeper is just like a monster, but it can't move. That's the name of the creeper.
Mani hi anule apai honin Iwan mule pahin heo Iwan hola kona English ta het hai khabi ni ase pi the da
ma he newa patna fun ha vet wala English pao het do
oh kidang ta khan he
cartoon
oh cartoon ho kona English pa ta het na to eipao het lo ta e kidang ta khan he akum ho ya tawang hin te ti e lại bạn đi không chị mà bạn đi hin thấy cái tổ sẽ riêng ấy thì là mai giá nào tiếc ya tụi mình nào tiếc số biết tụi mình tiếc
un mai khani ya pusali achungani
menu gì ta na này khát ông tay nó mày khát school thì cái pan lâu lại ham lệ
school kai pan lo
school cái pan lâu lại hoàng mà hin lệ English bảo hết ta
cái điểm phát minh rồi thì bồi lệ cùng ngã chẳng giang school cái bắt sẵn lâu lại mà cũng mà hay cái bồi là cho nên cái đó đi nằm hết thì
vậy bà mẹ mà he nè phim tạ tập băng hin English bảo thôi cái đăng tại rồi tiếng lên rồi là ví dụ mà sao được cái sao ta
English thôi lệ English nghe na hồ tiếng à phần ở long bùi gì ta mà hay nung gì ta sẽ đón bị gì luôn cái này là ở đó học vào tiếng là chú có hát để xem là English à mà hay là anh xem là họ thả hồng sĩ school chứ ta sẽ cùng kim ba cho hai lúc cũng mãi omega cái sản phẩm cái gì họ như
What happened to the green CD?
Mission Bolna tiếng nói sung Bolna tiếng bồi tâm mà hay bồi bồi cái đó
thấy ta
nếu lại cùng ni phá về là chút ABC hall cái hill ai vắng mà rhyme sa hay ABC hall họ này hết đàn ta yon hello ai là bazar đúng ai pui lệ nim plate kita họ nên là vậy là nó sim gì sim đó cô đó vắng gì ta xây thì lo vắng ABC cái gì họ nó sim nhà rhyme sa hết gì à chứ hết những cái đắp sa auto to long này sim thôi
And what does he take our bottom?
कोई वेला कोना इंग्लिश है हम तो नहीं है लोग डोंग जी है मान नो लाइक राइम्स और हम ना बाय हाथ सुन के राय
đang tạ cả thế mai mi khát vào nghi đề không biết tiếng tạ thành gọi cái láiเลยta bằng khát ít thui độ dòng lệ nuôi hin nè dùng lên tạ hình của máy xuồng dùng lên tạo
Thank you for videos.